Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for this video I'll be doing this Morena glow, or what you call bronze glow. So if you want to find out how I did this look, just keep watching. Here I will just put on my tanning oil. This is from a local brand. It's all natural and organic. And then I'll go ahead with my rose gold elixir from Farsalicare. Few drops of this bronzing highlighter all over my face. Make sure to blend. And then few drops of this liquid foundation, and make sure to blend it with a beauty sponge. And then for concealer, I'll just use this Matchstix from Fentybeauty. And then I'll also contour my face using this cream contour. I'll just go ahead and set my face with this blotting powder from Fentybeauty. And then I'll contour my face with powder. Using this bronze shimmer stick, I will put some on the center of my lid. And then for a blush, this has a little bit of shimmer to it so that it will be good for the bronze look. Then I'll use this eyeliner to tightline my eyes. I'll also put the same shimmer on my waterline. And then I'll just put a little bit of this lipstick and then just blend it. To finish off the lips, I'll just tap on some lip gloss on the center. I will just finalize this look and I'll be back. So this is the final look. I just curled my hair. I hope you guys like this look. I am a proud Morena. I am Filipina by birth and Filipina by heart. I love my brown skin and I hope you feel comfortable with your own skin too.